we are going to learn English opinion writings. I love cycling, so I'm going to do that. Let's start. My favorite game on football. So let's write my favorite game my favorite I like to play football because it keeps me fit and active. So let's write. Okay. So friends, I'm going to write about cycling here. I like to play football like that. So in football place, I'm going to write cycle. That's all. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yes. See, this is the sentence I'm going to write. So let's write. I like to play football. Without football, I'm going to write cycling. Friends, here, did you see what did I change? Here, I like to do cycling because I'll every day do cycling. That's what. Here, I forgot to write my God, there's no space. Okay. I write it like that. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, U and it has S and E. Yes, it fitted. See? Next, I'm going to write T-I-T, it. Keeps. This is keeps. M-E, me. Fit. F. Here is the word. Fit. T. See? Fit. Next. And keeps me active. A-C-H-V-E. See? Like to do cycling because it keeps me fit and active. Ha ha ha! I love cycling and I every day play cycle. That's why I have so much energy. And I also have muscles. Ha ha ha! And next, here, me and my mother are going to do this, okay? Friends, I'm writing the next line. Let's write. I enjoy a lot when I play football with my friends. enjoy a lot when I enjoy a lot football. Yes. No, I am going to enjoy a lot with cycling because my favorite game is cycling. That's why. Wow. See, friends, you must keep also when we are doing. And suppose we are doing for the final exam, you are doing in the book. You must keep the date and what are you writing? You have to write the heading. Because whenever you check how to do, then you can remember that. How did I do? Okay, it's like that. Okay, I'll write like that. So you must write the date and the heading. In very slow writing. I'm done. See. Friends, the next line is I can take my cycle anywhere and play. So friends, I'm writing it. I can take. Oh my gosh, how can I fit here? Okay, I'm just getting this small. Okay, and Thank you all. Bye bye.